Why is air pollution so dangerous for us? Okay, people talk about respiratory problems, people talk about autoimmune conditions, absolutely bang on. I don't mean to create fear, but knowledge is also awareness. For me, why air pollution is so dangerous is because it has the ability to corrupt our DNA. Anything that changes or corrupts our DNA can lead to any kind of disease that exists. And that's why we got to be protective of our DNA. I still say the most powerful way to prevent, any health problems if you're living in a place AQI is on the higher side is number one, limit exposure. That's the first best thing that you can ever do. Cut yourself away from what's toxic. Number two, today I want to talk about this favorite food that we all love in India. We love our dal chawal. We love our rice and dal. Okay, now of course, please make an informed decision. If you're diabetic, you have metabolic syndrome, you're overdoing it on carbs, the problem is not your rice and dal. The problem is you. The problem is your lack of activity. The problem is your overeating, etc., poor lifestyle. But today I actually want to talk about the health benefits of lentils and legumes. That's your dals and all of your legumes, your rajmas, your channas, your lobias, all of your kidney beans, all of that. They are one of the richest sources of folates. Folates play a huge role in protecting your DNA. So today I would be telling you, now is the time to eat your lentils, eat your legumes and enjoy them because they are powerful for your DNA. In fact, our rice and dal, our rajma rice gets a bad rap in our country because it's been equated to fat gain, fatty liver by, influencers and people who don't really understand the science behind all of this. But hey, look at some of the people working in the fields, the women. They are slim, muscular bodies. The men, ripped. Their diet is carb heavy. Lentils, legumes, rice, roti for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But they're super healthy and ripped. No diabetes, great bodies because they're super active. Now, if you've been eating rice and dal, if you've been having rajma and rice, but you've been inactive, you've been sedentary, that's the reason why you have metabolic syndrome or you've been overeating. So you don't get to blame the dal and rice. You don't get to blame the rajma and rice. In fact, it is such a beautiful, intelligent combination of a grain, a cereal, and an incomplete protein that makes it complete and makes it one of the most powerful foods for DNA protection. That's why every one of our cancer patients will have a diet rich in folates. And those folates come from lentils and legumes, eaten the right way, cooked the right way, eaten at the right time and in the right quantity. So when it comes to air pollution, there'll be a ton of people selling you different foods and supplements. You can do all of that stuff, but get the basic foundation right. Your dal and rice or your grain and rice or your sweet potato and lentils and your legumes and all of that stuff, you want to eat a diet that is rich in folates. And for us Indians, especially if you're vegetarian, that would be your lentils and that will be your legumes. Protect yourself, limit exposure. Do not do workouts early morning when the pollution levels are high. You are negating every aspect of your exercise, and your exercise is actually becoming more harmful for your lungs, your heart, and your DNA.